So hello mga ka-chillax, welcome to my YouTube channel. So ito ang ating bagong-bagong e-bike. Yan, kauna-una ang e-bike na ganito. Ito ang Dinova, brought to you by Greatech. Ito palang variant na to. Ito may battery na 60 volts, 40 amperes. Ito ay may motor na 7,000 watts. So pinagkasya ko na lang dito mga ka-chillax yung interview ko kay Sir Cameron at night ride kasi medyo nabitin dahil 2 days lang sa akin to. Yung isang araw umulan pa. So tapusin nyo na lang hanggang huli ang ating video kasi doon ipopost ko yung complete specifications at yung mga presyo ng mga add-ons at yung available option kasi iba-iba ang mga inilabas nilang mga motor at battery amperes nito. So maganda to at open na rin sila for a test ride. Kaya bisita na sa kanilang shop dito sa Mandaluyong. So nakalahat yan ay ipopost natin. So sana magustuhan yung ating munting content.
The Dinova comes with full suspension, so we have a very nice fork here in the front, and then we have 2 rear suspensions here also. There are spring at the back. It's possible to modify those to have them as air suspension instead as well. Dual spring as well, yeah, that's correct. The load capacity of our e-bike is 200 kilos. So it can easily carry 2 small riders, or it can do 1 heavy rider. So here we have hydraulic brakes. Those are motorcycle quality hydraulic brakes. They come with huge 180mm rotors and very big pads as well. So extra safety for our riders. So here,
Sir, what can we see in your monitor?
okay, so
this
right
unit.
here, if you turn on the button here, you'll see you have an option for a password. So either you can press 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the default to lock it off, or turn it on, or you can use the NFC key to tap. Yeah.
Part.
So normally the key, you will tap it here on the side. You need to remove the password first. Wait. 2, 3, 4. And then you can use the NFC key normally to remove this. Right now they're not yet turned on. And then now you have a lot of information here on your display. So the first riding mode is comfort. Then this is the slowest. It will be much more comfortable to use, and it will have a slow start. Then if you change here on the remote control, you can change here to sport mode so that you'll get the full power of the e-bike, so the full acceleration and torque, or the Eco Pro, which is actually the one in the middle. Then if you press the M button here, so you can see the actual voltage. So here it's at 65.2 right now, almost full. And then you can cycle through. So for example, here it's been turned on for 1 minute and 49 seconds. And then here, this is the odometer. I've done 100 kilometers. And then here we have the trip meter. So from the moment we turn it on, how far you will be doing in terms of distance. So over here, this is the gears. So on level 1, you get about 20 to 25 kilometers an hour. Then level 2, with of course this is with single motor, you will get 35 kilometers an hour. Then level 3, you will get 45 to 60 kilometers an hour. And then you can choose to use your back motor or your front motor at any time, so you can swap. So this is turned on for front motor only. Then here I have front and back motor turned on at the same time. You need to move the angle a little bit. Over here you have a coded security lock. So if you move this way, you'll be able to open up your motor, and you can find here the battery that's easily removable. So you just remove this here to be able to charge inside your house.
It's a lithium-ion battery, sir?
It's a lithium-ion battery, 40 Ah. So you just disconnect the cable here, and then the charging port here as well. Then you'll be able to pull out the battery fully. This battery pack is custom made for the 10,000 lumens that's actually located in the front and the horn.
So this one, sir, di ba, is a custom made.
Custom
and
made.
It's not What do you call this?
It's not stock. This is
stock.
a optional upgrade for our customers if they want a stronger light and horn.
And it's separated from the battery, right?
It's separated to avoid damage of the battery in the future. Yes, that's correct.
So how much does it cost if they want it like that?
For one of these, it will cost 8,500 pesos. For the battery pack, the 10,000 lumens light, and then the horn here located here in the front.
So it's all included.
Yes, we can do that for any e-bike, not only the Nova. So this is available here at Great FRE ENC Electric Mobility
So this is the
Center.
only one they need to charge, right?
This is they just charge it here easily from the side. So you just unplug this part, and then from here you can take it with you. You just plug it in here. It can also be used as a power bank. And then you just turn it on for it to be activated here, and then plug back in. Yeah, there we go. So there. You have a little compartment, so you can easily put in the charger, keep some water, or your phone in the back, or small accessories or tools. So anytime you can store them there. And then you have the headlight, the rear light, sorry, that's located here.
This is a default.
Default rear light as well. It comes with signal lights as well as default, so you can press left and right as proper signal lights. You have the charging port, so you can easily access.
How many
that.
hours for charging?
The full charge usually will take 5 to 6 hours.
5 to 6 hours. Mga chillax, oh. Nasa number 2 tayo. Speed 2 pa lang yan, oh. Sisiw na, ayan, oh. 31, 34. Hindi naman tayo kararista, mga kachillax. 40, ayan, oh. Antulin, tsaka napakaliit kasi 41, ayan, oh. Panis, mga kachillax, oh. Humihingi pa. Speed 2 pa lang yan, tumitilapong ka na. 44, ayan, dito na tayo. Yan, ito kalupit tong Dinova na to. So alam niyo man, 2 araw lang sa atin ito pinahiram. Kaya medyo, alam niyo na, medyo limitado yung ano natin. Limitado yung ating ano nito. Limitado ang ating paggamit nito. Kaya ito lang maan natin. Saka uulan pa. Uulan pa yata. So, babalik na natin to sa Mandaluyong, mga kachillax. Itong ating Dinova. So hindi ko pa rin alam ang full specs nito. So ilalagay na lang natin siya sa description box, ang full specs nitong ating Dinova. So ito, mga kachillax, so nasa Mandaluyong na tayo. So 2 days lang to. So technically bitin. Kasi isang araw ko meron akong vlog sa ibang shop. So ang pinaka-vlog lang natin, yung kwento ko na lang yung yung performance nito. Para at least hindi sayang yung pagpapairam sa atin ito. Siguro kinamin ulit natin ito. So itong Dinova na to, lang to pero dual motor na to. Ito ay parang pinalaking alam niyo yung vlog ko dun sa Q1S na kargado. Yun, pero hindi ko naman na-drive ng malayo yun So ito from Rockwell Makati to Evangelista. Tapos ngayon from Evangelista to Mandaluyong. Tapos na-drive ko sa Osmeña. Grabe. As in number 2 pa lang, speed number 2. Nagpi-50 na siya. Halos ang piga ko parang parang alam niyo yun, parang konting piga pa lang. Na nakakatakot kasi hindi naman ako karerista So sa akin, sanay ako sa mga 30-40, sa mga pedal assist. Pero kung papatakbuhin mo ako ng 100 dito sa maliit na to, parang hindi ko yata kaya. Parang unsafe side kasi di ako sanay. So yun. So testingin nyo na lang to mga ka-chillax. Yun yung masasabi ko. Pagdating sa speed, grabe. Talagang pumilig kayo magmatulin. Ito na yun. Preno, kayang-kaya kanya yung preno. Pagdating naman sa gulong, ang lapad ng gulong nito talagang panalo ka dito. Walang butas, walang lubak. And yung handling niya, yung nga siguro matangkad kasi ako, hindi ako sanay ng maliit yung dinadrive ko, pero responsive naman siya, preno responsive. Yung handling niya very good. So wala akong masasabi dito kay Dinova. Parang napaka talaga, napaka ideal, parang parang matinding halimaw na to, kasi sa speed 1 pa lang masaya na ako 'di ba? Yung pa kayang mag-i-speed 2 pa ako. Tsaka ito palang test unit natin, hindi ko rin masyadong mailayo kasi wala siyang side stand. Tapos personal unit to ni Sir Cameron Gray. So pasalamat na rin ako, una tayong nakapag drive nito. Kasi syempre ito sa may-ari, di ba? So happy naman ako sa performance nito. And kita nyo naman, di ba? Ano naman yung masasabi ko as of now. Ngayon ibabalik na natin yung ito do sa branch nila sa Mandaluyong. Ayan. Ang maganda dito, ginawan pa ng paraan ni Sir Gray. Naglagay siya ng power bank para sa mga ilaw. So hindi kaagad na-drain yung battery nito. So very powerful. Tutig na dual motor. Sa ngayon, ang gamit kong motor yung sa likod. So imagine niyo pa kung dalawang motor ang gumagana nito. Speed 2 pa lang ako nito hindi ko na magamit yung speed 3 dahil napakatulin. So yun, dahil natin isa nating kaibigan dito. Ayan, sarado na pala. Umpisa na ako dito sa eco option. So sarado na. So ito, nakita nyo itong humps na to, medyo mataas yan. Nasa 80 kilos ako. Hindi siya sumayad. So maganda extension niya, lalo na dual shocks yung likod. Pero ganun pa rin, syempre dahan-dahan lang. Para hindi naman kawaway sa kanya, Whoop! Diba? So number 2 na tayo, hindi ko man number 3 kasi torquey siya, tsaka matulin para to sa mga mga galit sa daan. So yun mga ka-chillax, sana nagustuhan nyo ating mounting content tungkol dito sa Dinova. So till here, this is Well Skila. Ride safe and God bless.